Are you consuming sweet and carbonated beverages in your daily routine? Is it wise to replace them with water, as many of these beverages claim that they're healthy? We cannot overlook the benefits of plain, simple water. There's a great difference between drinking plain water and other sweetened and carbonated beverages. Drinking water has a lot of benefits in our daily life. It improves our energy levels and relieves common illnesses such as constipation, headaches, and more. You have to drink enough water to improve your physical, emotional, and psychological health. One of the important benefits of drinking water is that it helps to prevent dehydration. Make sure to drink enough water in your daily life so that your cells and organs are working properly at all times. In our video, we will look at what happens when you replace all drinks with water.
Hi guys, welcome to Top News Age. Hit subscribe and press the bell icon to get notifications from Top News Age. Today we're going to look at
what happens when you replace all drinks with water.
Let's get started.
You lose weight at a faster rate. Drinking simple plain water or warm water is one of the recommended ways to lose weight. It has 0 calories, sugar, or fat as compared to other sweet and carbonated beverages. When you're replacing the usual drinks with water, you're actually helping your metabolism to boost, which ensures that you lose weight at a faster rate. It stimulates your metabolism, which ultimately leads you to weight management. The 2 glasses of water before the meal can help you lose weight more rapidly. Still, it is a tried and tested technique to lose weight. But consuming enough water helps you to prevent the adverse effects of dehydration. So, fill your glass with water rather than a high-calorie alternative such as juice, soda, or sweetened tea. You flush out the toxin from your body. Too much soda and soft drink consumption can be responsible for kidney damage. High sugar consumption is not good for the kidneys to eliminate the toxins and wastes from the body. They cannot perform their function perfectly due to the high level of sugar and soda in the beverages, which can lead to the accumulation of metabolic waste and cause serious health issues. On the other hand, water is a natural lubricant for the kidneys to work well. Your kidneys will perform at their maximum to flush out the toxins from your body by drinking enough water. So, help out your body and inner system by replacing all drinks with water. You improve your muscles' endurance and flexibility. Calcium is one of the main ingredients to build and maintain bones. But a large amount of carbonated drinks is responsible for calcium absorption, which results in weak bones and muscles. So, it is essential to cut back the soft carbonated energy drinks and replace them with simple, plain water. People need to know that water is a constituent of a large part of our muscle composition and helps to absorb the essential minerals from our strong bones. A well-hydrated body not only improves your muscle endurance, but also it improves your flexibility. All of these things help you to achieve your peak performance. Your ability to focus and concentrate gets sharper. Sweet and carbonated beverages also affect your mental health. Even the overconsumption of these beverages leads you to dehydration and can trigger the imbalance in certain chemicals in the brain, resulting in depression, poor memory, brain fatigue, and lack of mental clarity. The replacement of these beverages with water makes you combat ill effects and ensure that your body stays well hydrated. It ensures that your brain is accessing enough oxygen needed for its proper functioning. You will definitely experience your improved ability to focus and concentrate. You boost your metabolic rate. In simple terms, metabolic rate is the rate at which your body converts food into energy. A large amount of sweetened and carbonated drinks leads you to dehydration, which is responsible for metabolic disorders. In worst cases, you face weight gain, sugar cravings, lethargy, joint and muscle pain, etc. The replacement of these drinks speeds up your metabolic rate, which leads you to faster burning of calories. Drinking water increases your metabolism up to 25% nearly after an hour of drinking water. So, if you're drinking a few cups of fresh water daily, you will keep your metabolism at a peak performance. Moreover, it also helps to manage the blood and sugar level and keeps the fatigue, lethargy, and sugar cravings at bay. You get a glowing and healthier skin. You can also get bright and radiant skin by replacing your favorite soft drinks with plain water. Carbonated drinks are known to damage the skin cells, which result in premature aging, dullness, dryness, dark spots, and wrinkles. It's advisable to drink sufficient water daily to nullify the effects of harmful drinks. This will help your body to flush out the toxins and increase the production of blood and muscle cells. You will get a glowing and healthier skin complexion in a very short period of time by making a proper routine. It improves the complexion, reduces puffins, faster healing, clears acne, slows aging, smaller pores, reduces itchiness, and balances the pH level. You lower the risk of many diseases. You lead a healthier life whenever you eliminate high-fat and high-sugar foods from your diet plan. You have to understand that sugary drinks don't provide you with the essential nutrients, vitamins, and minerals. Replace them with water to improve your overall health. It improves blood circulation, digestion, and essential nutrient absorption and prevents you from muscular cramps, headaches, constipation, and kidney stones. Enough plain water drinking reduces obesity risk in children and decreases their cardiovascular diseases risk in adults. You promote the growth of healthy hair. The excessive consumption of alcohol and fizzy drinks is responsible for hair loss. Carbonated drinks minimize the production of essential hormones for healthy hair growth. As a result, you may face stunted hair that are brittle and flaky. Moving to plain fresh water can be your best bet for your healthy hair. Plain fresh water deeply nourishes your hair roots and helps you hydrate your scalp. After replacing the usual drinks with water, you will see reduced skin dryness, hair dryness, and skin breakout. Moreover, it's equally important to get rid of dandruff and itchy scalp. So, replace all your sweetened and carbonated drinks with water to have healthy and gleaming hair. You're able to stimulate your digestive system. The dissolved carbon dioxide in the carbonated drinks can cause indigestion and flatulence. Similarly, soft drinks also contain acidic components which can lead you to pH imbalance and make you a host of serious digestion problems such as bloating, stomach ulcers, diarrhea, gas, and stomach pain. So, to achieve a healthy and improved digestion system, it's necessary to switch to plain water. An adequate amount of water daily helps you prevent stomach disorders and also improves bowel movements. It helps you balance the pH level in your body and prevent constipation. You improve your blood circulation. Sometimes, artificial sweeteners cause the blood vessels to perform irregularly, which can lead you to an array of health issues. You can face high blood pressure, increased heart rate, and reduced blood flow to the brain and digestive system. Water can improve the blood circulation in your body and prevent the blood vessels from impending. Hence, replace sodas and sugary drinks with pure drinking water if you want to improve your blood circulation. You are re-energized. Sugary and caffeinated drinks are the leading cause of lethargy and chronic fatigue. Too much consumption of these beverages leads you to feel tired and sleepy. You have to swap these sugary drinks with water to boost your energy levels. It helps you to re-energize and maintain your bright and sunny mood. Let us know in the comments if you are also intending to replace all drinks with water in your daily life.
Hope you enjoyed our video. Please like, comment, and share it. See you all in the next one. Thank you. Bye.